Okay, so in previous video we have seen Python shell, how to get started with Python, its installation. Now we are going to discuss about variables in Python. So I'm just gonna open my IDLE. This is Python shell. We have seen how we can add numbers. So the variable is something which changes its value, and so we can store something in a variable and change its value. So imagine if we have a box in here, an empty box, we store something in it. So like we have a box named X, we store value of 2 in there. So now X is an variable. So we have stored the value of 2 in X, and when we type X plus any number, the Python shell will remember X as 2 and give us output as 6. Okay, so uh, the variables work like this. Besides of adding only numbers, you can also do something like this. V is equal to any data type as in string format, but you can see it will give me an error right here. Okay, because uh, Python doesn't know its format. It will try to learn that it is like number 5, so it is not. So we have to define our name in such a way that Python understands it. So it can understand it if we write in semi-inverteds. So I'm just gonna define anything, name inverted. I'm just going to say something like hello world. Okay, so I'll hit enter now. It will not return me anything, but when I say print name, it will give me output as hello world. What if I didn't have defined a variable, which is okay, I'll say print value. Okay, it will give me an error because we have not defined value yet. If I store something like uh, in that, I'll just define value. So if I print, again it gave me an error because I've not defined value. So I have to write print 10. So now it gives me the value of dam, because the value is stored in variable dam. So now there is an interesting fact in Python that if we do some arithmetic like 3 plus 7, it is going to give us an output. If we use underscore plus any number, it is going to give 18, because in Python shell an underscore is something defined as its previous value. So here underscore means the value is 10 here. So if I again use underscore plus 3 underscore plus 6, it is going to give me 24. So Here the underscore means the value 18 from here. Okay, so there's this thing, and also we can write something like any name, right? Okay, so we'll take this name, write it something as Varun. Okay, we'll again surname variable, and we'll type it as something like world. Okay, we'll write weird. So now it's interesting thing about Python. We will get an output like this. Weird, right? The concept here, it is uh, the name stores the value Varun in it. The surname stores the value weird in it, and it just adds up. It becomes Varun weird, and it returns Varun weird. So that's how the variable works in Python. So thank you. I'll see you in next video. Bye.